Run your towel under hot water. Make sure the towel is fully wet, then wring it out. Apply the towel like so. Cover the full face. This will allow the beard to soften and the pores to open up. Let the towel sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Apply a towel on the chest for excess hair from your razor. Start with a pre-shave oil. Apply 2 to 3 squirts to the palm of your hand. Rub it in the face in circular motions while simultaneously lifting the hair. This will soften the beard for an easier shave. Apply another hot towel. Load your razor. Apply an almond-sized amount of shaving cream. A little goes a long way. Rub it in your hands in circular motion, then lift the hair on the face while rubbing in circular motions simultaneously. Massage the face to soften the hair. Start your shave. When using a straight razor, make sure you're holding it at a 30-degree angle. Whenever you're doing a straight razor shave, you want to make sure that you stretch the skin, like so. Be sure to pull the skin and follow the way the hair is growing. Notice how hard the skin is being pulled. In this case, our client is keeping his goatee. This will allow us to use our shaving gel. Apply a small amount, rub it in circular motions. This particular shave gel has a shave oil base, which allows the blade to glide a lot easier than a regular shave gel. Now let's shape the goatee. Notice the shave gel is clear so you can see every line that you're making. Now apply an aftershave tonic. This will help with the healing process. This will help to heal any cuts, scrapes, or wounds. Apply a cold towel. This will help prevent razor bumps. This will also close the pores. After applying a cold towel, time to apply an aftershave lotion. This will rejuvenate the skin, soften the skin for better healing.